My name is Ian Dunn, and my topic is sleepwalking. According to CBS News, on May 15, 2012, they published an article that claims that 3.6% of the U.S. population, which is around 8.4 million people, experience sleepwalking each year. Are you one of them? I'm a researcher trying to find more in-depth information about sleepwalking, also known as somnambulism. You might not even realize it, but you know those times that you get up in the middle of the night to go use a restroom or to go get a drink of water? Well, you probably sleepwalk to go do those things. Sleepwalking is a behavior disorder that alters people's minds while they're in a deep sleep, and it makes them get up and move around unconsciously. In the next few minutes, I will discuss what sleepwalking is, what triggers it, and how age can play a role in sleepwalking. I got the image here by LA Times. Sleepwalking is known as somnambulism, and it's a type of behavior disorder. In the book Sleep Disorders in Neurology, it claims that sleepwalking causes impairment and distress in your social, occupational, and mental health. For example, it causes fatigue and lack of motivation. As Jacqueline Long once said, it takes place during the non-dreaming stage, which is around the first hour to the second hour, or a couple hours of going to bed. In the non-dreaming stage, NREM, or non-rapid eye movement, occurs. The image here I got from themedicalandhealthcare.com. Sleepwalking happens during a deep sleep that is triggered by many different things. Sleepwalking is caused by sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, anxiety, and even stress. Insomnia is the most common trait in any sleep disorder, according to the book Sleep Disorders by Rebecca Frey. Insomnia is when you can't go to sleep or when you lack staying asleep. Cases such as these, in which we find twisted thinking, are explainable by the rationality of our emotions. This causes faulty reasoning, by David Ewing's in the book Better Than One. This explains that sleepwalking basically makes it where it distorts your mind from being able to tell the difference between your dreams and reality. The image here I got from pharmatimes.com. Sleepwalking can affect anyone from all ages and can cause several different issues. According to Jacqueline Long, it's estimated that 1 in 3 children sleepwalk at least once between the ages of 3 and 10 years old. Adolescence plays a big part with sleepwalking because as a child grows up, they usually grow out of it. Somnambulism can induce people with episodes of epilepsy as well. It can get even worse if one is not treated early on, because the person can endure nocturnal wandering and ictal fear, in the words of Rosalia Silvestri. This explains that it can cause seizures once the neuronal receptor is weakened over time. I got this image here from livescience.com. In the last few minutes, I have gone over a general overview of sleepwalking, the effects, and what causes it. Let's review. Sleepwalking is a type of behavior disorder. It causes distortion between reality and your dreams. Many different things can trigger sleepwalking, such as sleep deprivation, insomnia, a high level of anxiety, and even stress. People of all ages can sleepwalk, but yet younger children have a higher chance to compared to older people. Adolescence plays a big role with sleepwalking because as time goes on and the child grows up, they grow out of it. Before I go, I have a question for you. Did you think sleepwalking was a serious type of behavior disorder before I had discussed it with you all?